Hey guys, it's Unbox Collections here, and I'm back again with another video. And today's video is going to be an inventory unboxing video, y'all. I don't know how long I haven't done one of these, but it's been a minute. So I have two Amazon packages. This big package here. And I got this little back package, which is like one item. We're gonna go with this one first. But before I get to this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, entrepreneur life videos, get productive with me videos. Okay, y'all got some avocado oil. Let me open it and show you guys what kind I got. Okay. It is Majestic Pure avocado oil, 100% natural. And it comes with a little pump too. I'm not gonna take it out because I don't use the pumps that comes with them. Okay. To open this box. And this is basically the inventory I've been waiting on for a couple of days now to get things up on my site. So tomorrow I'm going. Today I got work, but tomorrow I'm off, which is Easter. So happy Easter to everyone. But I will be making a lot of products and trying to get things on my website tomorrow or maybe on Monday. Okay, y'all. It just looks good. Like, y'all see this? It looks good. Wow. Okay. Let's start with these. I got two of my body oil containers. Well, bottles that I use for my body oils. Okay. A bubble melon inside a bag. Let's open it. This is coconut oil. I have to restock on that. We have some flavorings. And it has all the flavors that I need. Banana, mango, passion fruit, coconut, mint, apple, raspberry, kiwi, honey, blueberry, watermelon, green tea, peach, strawberry, pineapple, cherry, avocado, vanilla ice cream, and grape. And grape, y'all. So I got this. Lots of these. Okay, we got two 16 ounces of grape seed oil, which this is the cheapest for two, y'all. So I get the 2-pack because this is the cheapest for 2. Get all my oils and stuff for my body drips and all that, y'all. I'm gonna be working for real. Oh, y'all, I got this to precisely cut all of my labels out that I be making and stuff like that. Me and my business cards and stuff like that, precisely cut. Cause y'all, these scissors be making my labels cricky and all that. We can't have it. So we got this. Y'all, we got some of this jojoba oil. I'm gonna open it up for you. All my oils. I still have a ton of oils over there, but you know I have to add to my oils so I can get my body dress made. Okay. Next, I got a thing of containers for my body scrubs, y'all. Let me open them up. I always get this time. These are what they look like. Regular old black containers. Wait, let me just show y'all these too. Because I want to open stuff. Let me open it again. Make sure you guys follow my IG. Because that's where I mostly be at as well. In my TikTok. That will also be down here. Here is my oil bottle. So y'all get the concept of what I be going for. And I have new labels that I have coming out soon. Last thing, y'all, is this vinyl sticker paper, y'all. Vinyl sticker paper, it is glossy, it is waterproof, all in one, and I can use my ink printer, inkjet printer. And I got some ink that I've been had. So, yeah. I'm gonna see how this paper is. I want my labels to be very professional. Damn. Sorry, y'all. Okay. I need to see how I feel. Okay, it's glossy. You see it. Hopefully it's sticker paper because it's a little thin. It's sticker paper. And it's 30 sheets that's in here. So yeah, y'all, this video is done with. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Go check out my site. Because I still have things on my site, of course. And I will be adding my natural wet body butters too. So I have things that I'm going to be adding. Stay tuned. It will be a video up when I get them things together and on my site. So yeah, bye.